Hey guys, it's Tessie here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm doing an everyday makeup routine for you guys. I don't wear makeup as much anymore, nowhere near as much anymore, but when I do, this is what I do. Now, sometimes I switch it up depending on the occasion, lips, eyes, whatever, but my base is basically usually the same. So if you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think as well. Let's get started. So before we get started on the makeup, I'm using this Glow Recipe Dewdrops on my skin. These are amazing for that like inner glow look. I really love the way they make my skin feel, and I love the way they make my makeup appear and apply on as well. I feel like it really helps with like that dewy, glowy kind of skin texture without looking oily, if that makes sense. And I've been really loving these. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty primer. This has been a holy grail for me because it's super moisturizing but also helps my makeup go on really nicely without being overly cakey. I'm just applying that to my face and rubbing that in with my hands. And now I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Match Perfection foundation. If you don't have this foundation, sis, this is like a holy grail. It literally looks just like my skin, color, texture, all the above, and I really love the way this applies. I apply this all over my face with a beauty blender. I feel like that gives the most natural appearance. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection concealer in the color Mocha first to begin with. This is more like a color correcting concealer for me. It's basically the same color as my skin, just a bit lighter. So I'm going to go in with the lighter color, which is the Classic Beige, and applying that in all the areas that I applied the previous concealer, as well as my forehead and my chin, anywhere that I really want to highlight as well to kind of bring those areas out. I feel like these two are my most natural concealers, and the color combination is really nice. It doesn't give me that overly cakey look or overly highlighted look, but I still look fresh and awake, which I really love. So now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Espresso. I love this one specifically because of the undertones. It's got like a red undertone, and I use it like a bronzer more than a contour. It gives me a warm type of feel to my skin. It's really nice and easy to apply. Using a beauty blender helps the product go on really well without being overly pigmented. Like, it helps diffuse that really well, and I like the natural appearance that it gives. So it's perfect for an everyday type of look if you're looking for something like that. I really don't like that heavily contoured look anymore. It's just so not me anymore, but I really love the way this looks, and the finish is so skin-like. It's so pretty. So next I'm going to go in with my pressed powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I'm using it in the color 340. This is very similar color to my foundation and concealer mainly, but I use this instead of baking because I think it gives me a more natural appearance. I feel like when I bake my face, I always come off overly baked, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to go ahead and warm my face up, and I'm using another Maybelline pressed powder in the color 360. That really helps to like warm my face up a bit, especially after using like the concealer and the other pressed powder as well. It just helps with my face color. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using the OG, for me anyway, Colourpop black and brown pencil. I seriously cannot find a pencil that I love more than this, and I've tried a lot of pencils. It just goes on so easily, and the strokes are really precise, and I just love the way it goes on, and it's affordable as well. So I take that into consideration, and I just love the way it makes my brows look. I definitely don't like a blocky brow look. I want to go for a bushy brow, but because I have barely any brows myself naturally, it's a bit like, you know, semi-bushy brow. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush. I love these blushes from Savvy by DB, and they're in the color Nude and Rose. I use them mainly on my cheek, bring the product as well towards just above the contour area to help that blend, and on my nose as well. Now I'm going in with something I absolutely love. Okay, this is the Fenty Beauty Copper Chill Fairy Bomb Powder. So I'm just putting this in all the areas that I usually highlight, and I just can't like stress how like natural this product is. It's so pretty. I just love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. It's just my fave. And I literally spread this all over my face. So now I'm gonna go in with this Tartelette Posted palette by Tarte. I'm using the color Warmth from their palette. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites. It's super warm tones, which I love to go for. And this one color, the Warmth color, it's like a transition color if you want to do heavy makeup. But for me, it's a really pretty everyday color. I just rub that all over my lids and blend that out. And that's literally all I do. It's just so pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And I switch between mascaras all the time, but currently I'm using this one, but it's not for a specific reason, it's just because that was what was on sale. And now I'm using this Maybelline Color Show lip. It's not really a lip liner, it's more of like a pencil, like a brow pencil that I turned into a lip liner because the color is so perfect. I just love the color, and I'm lining my lips with that. It's so pretty, it's so soft, and it's so nice, but I did overline my lips a little, so don't mind that. Now I'm going in with this Marc Jacobs Just Peachy lipstick. Oh, this color combination is so pretty. It's like super nice, super natural, and I feel like it's like the perfect like nude combination for me. I'm just blending that out with my brush until I like it. And then just to top it off, I'm using this Australis lip gloss, and this is in the color My Boo. It is the perfect nude color for me. It's just so pretty, so natural, and it's just stunning. I love, 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 love these. And to finish it off, I'm just using this Colourpop setting spray. Yeah, and that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video.